How do I know when my key fob battery needs to be replaced?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a very common issue most car owners face at some point, knowing when your key fob battery needs to be replaced.
What is a key fob?
A key fob is a small, pocket-sized, usually plastic device with built-in authentication used to control and secure access to network services and data. In our context, a key fob is a remote that allows you to control your car's doors, trunk, and sometimes even start the engine. The fob is powered by a small battery inside.
What are the signs of a dying key fob battery?
Key fobs won't abruptly stop working without giving signs beforehand. Here are some of the most common signs that your key fob battery is low. 1. Decreased signal strength. If you find that your key fob doesn't unlock your car unless you're very close, the battery could be running low. 2. Inconsistent operation. The key fob intermittently works or stops working entirely for a short period. 3. Warning light on the dashboard. Some vehicles come equipped with a warning light on the dashboard that signals when the key fob battery is low. 4. The car doesn't respond. If the car doesn't respond at all to the key fob, it's likely that the battery has fully drained.
How to replace a key fob battery?
Replacing the key fob battery is usually quite simple. First, you need to open the fob. Most fobs have a small indent or notch that allows you to open them using a coin or flathead screwdriver. Once open, you'll see the battery. Before removing it, take note of how it's oriented. You'll need to place the new one in the same way. Remove the old battery, place the new one in, and then reassemble your key fob. Remember, the type of battery you need may vary depending on your specific key fob, so be sure to check your vehicle's manual or consult with a professional if you're unsure. And that's it. Recognizing the signs of a dying key fob battery and knowing how to replace it yourself can save you both time and money. Remember, if you notice any of the signs we mentioned earlier, it's time to replace your key fob battery. We hope this information has been helpful. Until next time, drive safely.